Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Hug World. And today we got some awesome watch faces that you do not want to miss. These are all analog watch faces that's going to set you up for the weekend. Whether you're dressing up or whether you're dressing down, these watch faces are going to fit the bill. So stay tuned and check out these watch faces. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today, as I said, we got some awesome watch faces for you all to take a look at. You want to check out all three of these. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't sleep on number one. Number one just might be the coldest watch face out of them all, right? The name of the watch face is called TWC Red Hands. Now, I know it doesn't look like anything, but just hold on. Now, let's go in always on mode. Now, I'm liking the look in the always on mode. I'm wishing this was the actual watch face, right? But it looks good. You're going to be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. When the watch face is on, you got an analog watch face, right? Now, if you look right here, that's your dial for your second hand. And you also get the date. It's in red. Very nice look. And it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can get my email. I thought that was pretty slick, right? And if I tap right here, nothing happens. But if I double tap, check it out. Now, I got all these shortcuts and icons and they are interactive. So if I want my calendar, I can tap on my calendar. If I want to make a phone call, I can make a phone call. Whatever I want to go into, I could go into it right here. I thought that was pretty slick. And it offers a lot. Now, you got to check this out at Gear Manager Store. It is worth it. Tap right here to get rid of it. And here you are. But another thing that I like, if you don't want to go in there and you know where everything is, all you got to do is tap and it'll come right up. Just tap right here, get your pictures, tap right here, it brings up your water, and just go around the bezel of the watch, and whatever you land on, it's going to pull it right up. I thought this was definitely a good look, worthy of a review. I need for you to comment on this. I need for you to tell me if this watch face is worth the download to you. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number two. Now, if you're going to be hitting the town, you might want to consider this watch face. Now, the name of it is called Deep Gray, and I'm liking this watch face. I know you can get away with dressing up with this watch face casual, real easy. But in always on mode, you're going to get the same look, but when it's lit up, here's where it starts to look really good, right? First of all, around the bezel of the watch, you get shortcuts. You get stopwatch, calendar, your battery info, weather down at the bottom, and they're all interactive as well. You're also going to get S-Health, your timer. Now, if we look inside the watch, right there up at the top, right up under the 12, you're going to get your steps and your battery info. You come down to the left. I like that it says Gear S3. I thought that was awesome. You come over, you're going to get your day and your date, and you come down. For those of you all who are loving it, this has a 24-hour time digital down at the bottom. So I thought this was definitely a good look, worthy of downloading in the Gear Manager Store. Again, hit me, let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Watch face number three, and number three is beautiful. The name of the watch face is called Multicolored Metallic Classic Full Analog Watch. Just trying to get you ready for the weekend, just trying to get you ready. Now, this is a nice watch face, has a sense of elegance to it in my opinion. In the always on mode, it looks just as good. It's in the black and white theme, and I'm really loving that look, especially if I'm going to dress up for the night and I'm going out. Now, when the watch face is on, I'm playing it in the red mode right now, which is a very good look. This is an analog watch face, has a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Now, you got two dials. The one to the left is going to give you your heart rate info, and then the one to the right is going to give you your battery info. And you do have shortcuts with this watch face. So if I tap here, single tap, I can get to my S voice for those of you all who use S voice. Get your music, tap at the top, going to get your messages. And if I tap right here on the 15, I'm going to get info on my steps and my calories burned, which isn't a bad look at all. I'm liking this. And double tap in the center, I can change the theme of the watch face so far as the color is concerned. Has plenty to choose from. Just keep tapping until you get to the one that best suits you. I think it has a very nice look. The colors are different and it stands out depending on what you're feeling, what you're wearing for that day, or just your favorite color. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face review. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have the greatest weekend ever. Again, have fun, enjoy family, eat well, most of all, be safe. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And you all know what I'm about to say. I will see you all at the next video. Take care.